In the last section, we put together our default.conf file. And now we're going to put together a Docker file that will create a new custom Nginx image and attempt to apply this configuration file to it. Now, if that sounds hard, let me assure you it's going to be way easier than you ever might guess. Let's first begin by pulling up Docker Hub, and I want to very quickly look up the Nginx image that we can download automatically from Docker Hub. So I'll go to hub.docker.com. I'll go to the Explore tab up top, and then as the very first result, or hopefully it'll be one of the first ones for you, sometimes it kind of argues with Alpine for top spot, I'll look at Nginx. So we'll look at the full description here. As usual, you'll notice there's a bunch of links for help, and you can look down here, and eventually you're going to see somewhere inside of here, right here. Here's a great example right here. So in order to do any customization of Nginx, essentially all we have to do is build a Docker file that says we want to make an image from Nginx, and then we're going to take our configuration file and copy it into the temporary container, or essentially the image. All the configuration for Nginx is done by these files, or these configuration files that simply exist on the hard drive. So as long as we, or excuse me, not the hard drive, but you understand the file system. So as long as we copy that configuration file into our image, it will be automatically applied to Nginx once a container starts up out of our custom image. So essentially, what you see right here is all we really have to do inside of our Docker file. Remember that if we do not replace the default command of an image inside of the Docker file, then the default command of the parent image, which is from Nginx right here, will automatically take precedence. Okay, so let's get to it.